How to unsubscribe to emails and newsletter. We no more want them in our Gmail account. So let's see how to unsubscribe. In Gmail account, we all get emails that are spammy, or newsletters that we have subscribed, but want to unsubscribe to. When we type in search for unsubscribe in Gmail account, most of the emails does have unsubscribe option in them. To unsubscribe to an email, we need to open the email and find the unsubscribe button, or unsubscribe link. You can find the unsubscribe link either in the email top or the bottom of the email. We can click the unsubscribe link to unsubscribe emails. And once we click the unsubscribe button link in the email, we need to confirm the unsubscribing to the email. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to my channel.